Hello there, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. Thank you so much for visiting our channel again today. Also, make sure if you haven't subscribed that you subscribe to the channel so that you receive information when we're doing a live video as well as when we're doing one that you can actually download like this one. So I'm going to talk about the difference between commercial and residential. We get a lot of people that have subscribed that want to know which one is the best. And I would say that it depends on what your comfort zone is. Some individuals love doing commercial cleaning because they like working with B2B, which is business to business. If you enjoy working business to business, and if you like doing contracts are usually done with commercial cleaning as opposed to residential. Now, there are times you can get residential contracts, but it's usually not as normal as it is with commercial. So I'm going to look at a list of what some people look at as pros and cons of both. So we're going to start with commercial. 1, you work with business to business. 2, you're working in a facility as opposed to a home. 3, you're getting normally a contract where you're normally going to have net 30 if there is a problem with someone wanting to retain your services. Number 4, usually you're going to have larger accounts and it's going to be recurring revenue, which is a real good way to grow a company, especially a cleaning business. This is money that you can depend on. The cons when it comes to commercial cleaning is because you have to wait normally net 30 for your money. I would say that's one of the biggest cons with commercial cleaning. You have to wait longer for your money than you do for residential. Now, if you look at residential, there's several pros to it. 1, you get more of a personal relationship. You can build a rapport. You can normally clean all the houses in that area, and there's some houses in different areas that are up to 10,000 square feet, so you can do really well. You can set your own schedule. Normally when it comes, you can go in any time during the day, as opposed to with commercial, normally you can go only in the evening. It's sometimes considered a lighter clean because you're not doing such heavy lifting. Some of the cons of doing residential is they can cancel you at any given moment. It's normally not recurring revenue as it is with commercial cleaning, and most times you don't make as much as you can, or the potential for growing your cleaning business is sometimes limited with residential as opposed to commercial. I would suggest sometimes you do both. You could do commercial cleaning and residential, and you could do the commercial cleaning for the clients that you actually have. And sometimes when you're doing commercial cleaning, you may have a residential person that wants you to do their commercial cleaning. So let's say this. You start out doing the commercial cleaning, and because of that, you get an account to do their home. That probably is one of the best ways to start, where you're infusing residential as well as commercial, as opposed to cleaning someone's home and then doing their business. Either one works well, but you're actually getting the business on both ends, which means you're not leaving any money on the table. I hope this was helpful. Please make sure you visit our website at www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730 extension 106. Once again, please subscribe if you have not subscribed to our channel. And the goal of the Janitorial Spot channel is to make sure we help you start and grow your cleaning business. We also have a membership, so if you would like to get more in-depth details on how to get started, what to do, and all of the different information that we provide, make sure you visit our website and sign up for our Inner Circle membership. Or if you're looking to start a new business, please feel free to give us a call. We specialize in starting new business clean packages. So with that, have a fantastic day, and we'll look forward to seeing you again soon.